Guys.
It's Vlogmas.
Wait, dapat... Okay lang O, magpo-post ako sa
Yeah.
YouTube.
You have my consent.
Sige, we're from
So,
for the...
So, guys, we're here at...
Duncan. Yun lang. Kita. Ay, meron. Sige guys. Today we're gonna eat. Duncan. Because it's Monday.
And it's
Fun day. Hindi ko na to kaya.
Ayoko na.
Tatanggalin ko na to. Nakakano talaga ako, baka maya-maya may mangyari sa akin. Ayan, wala na akong ID, hindi nyo na malalaman. So guys... Uy, ba't tayo tawa na?
Ay,
We
magkukwento na lang tayo. About what happened today.
Pero isa-censor ko yung buong kwento. Naka...
Oh, sige, game.
Oh.
So, what happened?
Ay, hindi, magmamakbang lang muna tayo.
So,
Wala ka tayong patungan, wait lang, patungan natin.
So,
Yung na lang, iPad na lang. Napakatalino mong bata.
I'm excellent. Pero excellent.
You're excellent, no?
Game.
O yung, yung necktie nandun lang. Kung gusto mong bibili.
Ayoko na wala ako. Okay. So, I bought 5 pieces chocolate butternut because it's my favorite.
I bought 6 pieces.
Ayan! Ayusin ko matawa!
Ba't ako nga ganyan? I bought 6 pieces. I bought 6 pieces cheese trickle. Let's start eating. ASMR. Ito na.
So this is what it looks like.
This is what mine looks like. Woo! Sige, this is what mine looks like. Oh, it looks like...
Shit. Ay, wag ganun tayo. Alam mo yun, Ren, takpan mo yung... Give.
Tama. Ayun.
Yun. Capture that, guys.
Guys, paki-screenshot send nyo sa akin. Magsa-story ako mamaya.